and welcome to HCN Evening News Bulletin with me, Clarissa Camillo. Let's take a look at the top stories for today. TMC chairperson and West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee arrived on her maiden visit to Goa. She was given a rousing reception at Goa's Dublin airport by party men and women and supporters. There are high expectations from the TMC in Goa with the elections just 3 months away. Didi has assured to fight the BJP and defeat its divisive agenda. She will meet with various groups, including fishermen, during her visit. Mamata Banerjee will also interact with the press during the course of her visit. I have never seen so much hatred in my life. This is the land of Shanta Durga. From where does this vitriolic nature come? TMC member Lavo Mamledar questioned in the wake of destruction of Mamata Banerjee's posters ahead of her arrival in the state. BJP government has panicked because of the 9-point charge sheet since they don't have answers. BJP's days are numbered and we are ready to send BJP home, Lavo said. Women members of the BJP said, disrespect for women is not Goan culture. Not even Portuguese disrespected women, they said.
विचारांत येता ही शांतादुर्गाची भूमी हांगा सगळे शांतेने चलता सगळे शांतेकायेन लोक चलता अशा वेळार ही विट्रोलिक नेचर खंयच्यान येता द्वेष खंयच्यान निर्माण जालो आमकांच कळना इतकी हेट्रेड जावपाक कारण म्हणजे म्हाका दिसता आनी आय एम 100% शुअर की इतकी हेट्रेड जावपाक कारण म्हणजे आमी पयर 9-point चार्जशीट केलां त्या चार्जशिटाचेर बीजेपीक कांयच उत्तर ना दिवपाक नाजाल्यार दितले आशिल्ले लोकां कडेन येतले आशिल्ले हे चार्जशिटाक भिल्या आनी त्या खातीर ते सगळे हे
इंग्रजांनी राज करपाचो प्रयत्न केलो मागीर पोर्तुगीज कितले दीस आशिल्ले 450 वर्सां तांणी गोंयाचेर राज केले पण ह्या इतिहासान फाटीं वचून आमी पळयत जाल्यार महिलांचेर अशे अत्याचार जावं महिलांचो अपमान गोंयान केन्नाच जावंक ना बायलांची ढाल केन्नाच करूंक ना आपले राजकारण फुडें व्हरपाक सो गोंयकारांक हांव अपील करता की हें कितें चल्लां बीजेपीचें राजकारण कितें चल्लां हें तुमी बारीकसाण पळयात आनी ह्या राजकारणाचो आमी तर निशेध करताच जे कितें चल्लां महिलांचो अपमान कितें चल्ला ताजो निशेध आमी करताच
हितून ह्यो जो कांड जाला आतां ह्या कोणें केला पोस्टर्स पिजप डॅमेज करप नाका आल्ली बुरशी उतरां गोंयच्या संस्कृतीच्या अगेन्स्ट वचून जी उतरां हांच्यांनी बरयल्या पोस्टर्सांचेर हो कल्चर तांचो दाखयता आनी हांगा आमकां बिफोर इलेक्शन एक रिजल्ट दाखयता दॅट इज विक्ट्री टीएमसीची विक्ट्री जाता म्हणूनच
Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu on October 28 said the era of strict segregation of subjects is over. He called for a multidisciplinary approach in higher education to produce well-skilled individuals and have better research outcomes. He also emphasized the need to give equal importance to humanities in science and technology institutions. Venkaiah Naidu was speaking after inaugurating the new campus of the Sant Sohirobanath Ambiye Government College of Arts and Commerce at Pernem in North Goa district. Union Minister of State for Tourism Shripad Naik has ruled himself out of the Chief Minister's race. When asked that his name was being touted in party circles, Shripad said he is at the center. There is no confusion or competition. The party decides, he said. Asked to comment on the remarks of ex-Goa Governor Satyapal Malik on corruption in Goa, he claimed he had not heard of the comments.
पार्टी ठरता आणि तसे आतापर्यंत अजून तसे काय दिसना पण भाऊ तुमका तुमचं नाव सजेस्ट केलं त्याला असे काय ना तुम्ही इच्छुक आहात ना असं नाही सेंटराक असं नाही गोंय येवपाचें होमशे नाच आता
भाऊ आणि सीएम चेंज जावपाचें कितें चालू आसा आवाज तुमचें नाव फुडें येता म्हणून
कितें आसा हे सगळ्यां कोण आपल्याक स्टेटमेंट दितलो उलयतलो अशें कांय ना व्यवस्थीत जाला इले आमी इलेक्शनां वयता तारते ते मातशें परत निवडून हाडूंक जाय हे टार्गेट घेवन फुडें वता ओके.
When cases are filed liberally against people, why no case has been filed against the chief minister following allegation of corruption by a constitutional authority like the governor? Congress has questioned. Pramod Sawant should either resign or be sacked. Congress also demanded the resignation of Milind Naik and has asked the Vasco police to register a case against Milind for carrying out illegal activities during the pandemic in Vasco. The truth cannot be hidden for long, Congress opined CBI.
सगळे लोक कन्विन्स जाता की हें करप्शन जाल्लें आसा. आतां हें जावन जवळ आयज तिसरो दीस तो राजिनामा दिना ना तर मोदी सरकार ताका बरखास्त करना जावं तेजेर कितें केस रजिस्टर करना. हेजे पयलीं कोणाचेरय कसल्योय केसी रजिस्टर जाताल्यो पूण जेन्ना एक राज्यपाल एक स्टेटमेंट करता की मुख्यमंत्री करप्ट म्हणून तेजेर एक्शन कितें तरी जावपाक जाय आशिल्ली जाल्यार लोकांचो ह्या सरकारा वयलो विश्वास जो उरला तोय वयतलो.
जेन्ना गव्हर्नरान जेन्ना आमचो स्टेटमेंट केलेलो आसा हे प्रूफ जाल्लेलें आसा सो हांव वास्को पुलिसां कडेन मागता SP सावथा कडेनूय मागता जी आमी कंप्लेंट तुमकां जुलय 27 तारखेक दिलेली 2020 ही केस आतां रेजिस्टर करची तुमकां आनी कसलो प्रूफ नाका. एक गव्हर्नरान स्टेटमेंट केलेलो आसा आनी जी आमी कंप्लेंट तुका तुमी जी रेजिस्टर करून अशीच दवरलेली आसा ती बेगीनच्या बेगीन रेजिस्टर करची आनी जे गव्हर्नरान सांगला जे लोकल आमदाराक जे पयशे दिला खंयचे कंपनीन ते खंयच्या कंपनीन ताका आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा. आमी लोकांक सांगले जाल्यार लोक म्हणटले आमी ऑपोजिशन म्हणून उलयता. सो खंयच्या कंपनीन ताका पयशे दिला कितले पयशे दिला आनी ताणें खंयसर युटिलायज केले हो प्रश्न लोकांक ताणें सांगपाचो गरज आसा.
तर आज जेन्ना सत्यपाल मालीक हें सांगता देन इट बिकम्स रियली अ सिरियस मॅटर. ह्या गव्हर्मेंटाक ताणें सामको एक्सपोज करून सोडलो अशें म्हणपाक हरकत ना. आनीक म्हाका दिसता की लोकांनी आतां हाजेर नोट करून आत्तां जो काळ येतलो तेन्ना योग्य पावलां मारपाची गरज आसा. कित्याक ही चेंज येवंकूच जाय नाजाल्यार कितें जातलें हें सगळें खपल्या सारकें जातलें. म्हणून म्हाका एकूच म्हणपाचें आहा की सत्य कितें आसा तें चड दीस लिपोवंक शकना. तें सत्यपालानच सत्य वयर काडलें.
The CBI Goa branch had a freewheeling interaction with the Goan press on the occasion of Vigilance Awareness Week. To the media query, the CBI was not accessible. Ashish Kumar, SP and head CBI stated that information can be disclosed only by press officer in Delhi, especially with regards to raids. Press questioned him to disclose bare details, such as where was it conducted, name of the persons raided, and details about the case registered, which he agreed. Kumar said details cannot be disclosed since the raids are authorized by the court, but basic information including FIR is uploaded on the website.
We send every information to that officer, then he analyzes it and as he decides, because that decision is taken by the senior officers also, including my director of the domain. So that information which should be given in the public domain, that is mentioned there. Only the press information officer in Delhi is entitled to talk to the press. Okay? We are not entitled. But sometimes, being the HOD, I can talk to you. I can talk to you, and that's why I have circulated the number. दे दियो.
They will not be asking the investigation part of it, but at least whatever raid you have conducted, the person who will be named, that at least you should share, no?
Okay.
So people should know.
Now we are giving you our numbers, so you can contact us. Number दे दो. You can contact us, and whatever is required, I will tell you. When we raid some place, we conduct search. That is in compliance with the order of the court. Unless we submit a report to the court, we are not supposed to divulge anything to any other person till the time court comes to know about this. That is why I have chosen to interact with you. There are many misgivings. You don't know this thing. The court issues the warrant and we are complying with the warrant. Unless we submit a report to the court, we cannot divulge anything to any other person. This is.
The contract nurses working at Goa Medical College have demanded regularization of their services or renewal of their contracts at the earliest. The contract nurses on Thursday submitted a letter to the Director of Health Services, which said the pandemic has proved the urgent need of nurses to provide medical care to our people. They said their services are of great importance for the state of Goa and to save the lives of the people. We are frontliners of any medical situation and have kept our promise to save lives, the letter said.
हांकां सगळ्यांक कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरचेर घेतलेली ड्युरींग द कोवीड टायम एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट्स वर ओवर द यंग गर्ल्स हैव अप्लाइड फॉर द रिन्यूअल and till date their renewals have not yet come. We have met the Director of Health Services Administration and she has told us that the renewals of those who have submitted is being forwarded to the government or to get the financial approvals and they are still awaiting it. It has been 1 year that these young girls or nurses worked to serve during the COVID times. सगळ्यांनी मन लावून काम केलें and the health minister has even felicitated them, appreciated for their services. As the administration, the Director of Administrative Services here says that they were appointed only for contract. No doubt it was a contract service, but we know that the COVID surge is picking up again and to just lay off all of them would be unjust.
We have served for 6 months over here and when we requested for the renewal, some of the renewals got rejected, they said. I was happy to serve over here for 6 months and Sir Viswajit had promised us that there will be renewal, extension of the contract till October 2022, but nothing has been done. So we, all the nurses over here had come over here for a request and everything can be happen or not.
It's been more than 4 months that nearly 3,000 people of Kaisua and Anjuna are facing water issues. On one side, government has announced free water supply, yet taps are dry, locals pointed out. On Thursday, the women folk marched to the PWD office in Mapsa and submitted a memorandum to solve their water issue within 7 days. Failing to this, they have threatened to hold a massive protest.
हरशीं जाल्यार उदकाचो प्रॉब्लम आसलो आनी 2 म्हयन्या पयलीं हांव हांगा येवन गेलें म्हाज्या बायलांक घेवन शापोरच्यान सगळ्या बायलांक घेवन तेचेर तेंचे नंबर घेतले नांव घेतला बरोबर आनी तुमकां हें करता म्हणून सांगलें आतां कितें अशें जाल्लें आसा आमी सगळ्यांनी ठराव घेतला आमकां 7 दिसांच्या भितर उदकाचो प्रॉब्लम जर आमचो सॉल्व जायना जाल्यार आमी आंदोलन करतलीं सगळीं जाणां 3000 लोकांक उदकाचो आतां सद्या प्रॉब्लम जाल्लो आसा आमच्या कायसुवान 3000 लोकांक सद्या उदकाचो व्हडलो प्रॉब्लम जाल्लो आहा आमी सर्वे केला सगळ्या लोकांक मेळून येयल्या ग्रुप वायज मिटींग गेल्यार सगळ्यांचो एकूच प्रश्न की आमचो उदकाचो प्रॉब्लम जाता तितलो बेगीन सॉल्व करा 2 म्हयन्या पयलीं हांव म्हाज्या देवूळ वाड्या वयल्या बायलांक घेवन हांगा येयल्ली तेन्ना हेंच्यांनी म्हाका अशेंच आश्वासन दिल्लें की तुमची नांवां बरोवन घेता नंबर बरोवन घेता सगळें करता आनी तुमचो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व जातलो म्हणून सांगता जो पळय तेन्ना आसलो तेन्ना आमकां पिवोंक 1-4 कळसुले मेळटाले आयज अशी परिस्थिती आसा की ते पिवोंक येताले ते येयना तेका लागून आमी सगळ्या बायलांनी लागीं जावन गांवच्या लोकांनी ठराव घेतला की हे 3000 लोकांचे अशें म्हणणें आसा जर ह्या 7 दिसां भितर आमचो उदकाचो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व जायना जाल्यार आमी आंदोलनाक बसतलीं आनी एक उपाय म्हणून एक उपाय योजना म्हणून आमी अशें हांगा ह्या मेमोरंडमान बरयल्लें आसा की 7 आमचो जर हे आतां उदकाचो आसा जर उदीक आमकां येयना आनी कमी पडटा शॉर्ट पडटा अशें ते सांगता आमकां प्रत्येक वेळार
सगावन प्रॉब्लम आसा गुड्यान प्रॉब्लम आसा सडयान प्रॉब्लम आसा वॉशेल प्रॉब्लम आसा मार्नास प्रॉब्लम आसा ह्या 6 ग्रामपंचायतीन उदकाचो एकदम कठीण परिस्थिती जाल्ली आसा तेन्ना आज आमी हो एक पीसफूल मेमोरंडम हांगा दिल्लो आसा पूण येणाऱ्या काळांत जशें आमच्या ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंटान सांगलां त्या प्रमाणे आज 7 दीस पासून आमचे वाट पळोवपाची आसा आनी 7 दिसां भितर हांगासर येदो व्हडलो दिवाळीचो सण साजरो जावपाचो आसा तो सण साजरो करपाक पाणी पुरवठो योग्य इंजिनियर आनी तेंची कन्सर्न टीम आसा हेंच्यांनी लक्ष घालून पाणी सुरळीत करून
दिवाळी साजरी करपाक आमच्या शिवोली वासियांक पयली सेवा दिवची.
Indian footballer Baichung Bhutia inaugurated Gera's River of Joy Football School. Bhutia said that it has given him immense joy to launch Goa's first Baichung Bhutia Football School at Gera's River of Joy at Kadamba Plateau. The school will tap the potential of students of the Gera school and help children soar, he said.
As a manager, I would definitely side Ronaldo rather than Messi. There are various reasons. But if I have to buy a ticket to go and watch, then I would definitely go and watch Messi, not Ronaldo. So it's just too different. Why I choose Messi is because I feel he's natural, gifted. Messi can sleep for 1 year, 2 years without playing football, and he can do the same trick after coming in. Obviously, Cristiano Ronaldo is great there, but he's a machine. He's one truly professional player, which I think everyone should watch and idolize. And I'm sure you guys have seen, I just repeated it in the school as well. You saw what Cristiano Ronaldo did in the Euro Cup. He removed what he removed? He removed a Coca-Cola bottle from there. Make sure you guys you should learn that. So no more Coca-Cola, Pepsi, junk food, burgers, chips, nothing. You all should healthy. You all should eat healthy. Listen to your parents. That is the first thing. It's not about professional football. It's about being healthy, living healthy. So no junk foods. Okay? Once in a while it's okay.
Thank you. Good afternoon. First of all, obviously it's great to be back in Goa. I think I'm coming back after quite a few years. And in fact, today morning I posted one picture of myself in the hotel saying that how much I'm happy to be back in Goa. And I'm sure, I think a lot of you remember that, when not ISL, but when we had I-Leagues and National League camps, we were based mostly out of Goa. And some of my best memories of football has been in Goa. So it's always great to be back here. Coming to, I think, our association with Gera River of Joy, BVFS is definitely, it's a great honor for us to be associated because let me give you a brief background about Baichung Bhutia Football Schools. In fact, we are one of the largest football grassroots program in India today. And we've got more than 3,000, 4,000 kids training every day with 100 plus coaches and almost 60-70 centers across India. But what is the most important thing about BVFS is it's not just about quantity, but we deliver quality as well. Our coaches, 80% of our coaches are all qualified coaches. We manage and help and support coaches to get the license from EFC, which is very, very important. We are also a football academy that is given A+ category in India, which very few academies in India have got that. But at the same time, what we are proud of is in the last 10 years, we've got 6 players that have gone on to play for India in different age groups, under 15, under 16, throughout academy. And we've got a number of players that's gone on to graduate from BVFS and gone on to play for ISL and 19 clubs across India. So we're very proud of that.
And now we end this bulletin with the cartoon of the day image. Well, that's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching HCN News. For more news and alerts, please do follow us on O Heraldo at Twitter and Facebook. Until then, goodbye and take care.